This dessert is soft, creamier, moist, and full of flavors and just melts in the mouth, and you can't stop yourself from eating more and more. And the preparation time is 15 minutes. Let's start by taking about half liter of milk in a pan and separate about 4 tablespoons of milk into another bowl to prepare the custard mixture. So in this bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of custard powder and start mixing. I have taken vanilla flavored custard powder here. Make sure that there are no lumps. Now bring the remaining milk to boil. The milk I have taken here is little creamier, so I have been stirring it so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Then add about 1/3 cup of sugar and keep stirring continuously till the sugar dissolves, or else the sugar will tend to caramelize at the bottom of the pan. After the sugar dissolves completely, add the custard powder mixture to the milk and keep stirring continuously to make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. Keep stirring gently, and in about a minute or so, the mixture tends to thicken, and at this stage, turn off the flame and check for the consistency of the custard mixture. The consistency must be such that it should be able to coat the back of the spatula. The next step is to prepare the malai mixture. In a mixing bowl, take half cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of fresh cream, and start mixing till all the ingredients are mixed well. And if you see any lumps regarding the milk powder, start scraping it against the walls of the bowl to get a creamy, smooth mix. Take few milk bread slices and start cutting the sides of the bread slices. Here I have used about 4 milk bread slices. Do not discard the edges of the bread slices. They can be used to prepare breadcrumbs for our fried foods. Take either square or rectangular shaped dish to layer our dessert. So the first layer is custard mixture, followed by the second layer, that is bread slices. Gently press the bread slices over the custard mixture, and there comes the third layer, that is malai mixture. This is a little thick in consistency. To make sure you are spreading it with a little bit of patience so that all the edges, all the boundaries of the bread slices are covered evenly. Then comes the next layer of bread slices again, and gently press the slices. Then comes the last layer of custard mixture again. After spreading the custard mixture evenly, add some amount of the malai mixture in the center of the dish, and with the help of a coffee stirrer, make any pattern of your choice. Then garnish with some chopped nuts. Here I have used almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios. I also had few dried rose petals, so I have used even those for the garnishing. The final look is really tempting, right? Now let's close the lid and refrigerate the dish for about 30 minutes. Here I have used a container with vacuum seal. It's been 30 minutes and now it's time to serve our melt-in-mouth dessert. The fusion of custard and milk malai gives an irresistible flavor to the dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other cooking videos for more delicious and easy to make dishes. Enjoy and subscribe for more. Thank you.